Hello my little warriors, welcome back. In this video we shall see question number 4, subdivision 5, class 10 trigonometry chapter, wherein cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosecant A plus cot A. To solve this, if you see the question on the left hand side, you have cos and sin, on the right hand side you have cosecant and cot, and if you see properly, if you divide cos A by sin A, you are going to get cot A, and 1 by sin A, you are going to get cosecant A. So the best way to solve this problem is convert this left hand side as per the right hand side by dividing them by sin A. That is the first step. So cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A, whole thing divided by cos A divided by sin A plus sin A divided by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Therefore, the next step will be, this one will become cot, this one will become 1, and this one will become cosecant. Okay. So, this will be cot A minus 1 plus cosecant A divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. Now, we will write this one as per this, like, so that they be together like this. Therefore, the next step will be cot A plus cosecant A minus 1 divided by cot A minus cosecant A plus 1. So, if you see here, the numerator is almost close to this except minus 1 is there. Therefore, what we do is, we will just use for this as cosecant square A minus cot square A from trigonometry identity, just the numerator. Okay. So, the next step will be cot A plus cosecant A minus cosecant square A minus cot square A. And if you see carefully, this is of the form A square minus B square, which is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Okay, now the next step will be, and this one divided by cot A minus cosecant A plus 1. So, the next step will be cot A plus cosecant A minus bracket and then again bracket cosecant A, not square, cosecant A minus cot A into cosecant A plus cot A plus B into A minus B, close the bracket, and cot A minus cosecant A plus 1. So, the next step will be, we can take this as common, cot A plus cosecant A common, and 1 minus cosecant A plus cot A, whole thing divided by cot A minus cosecant A plus 1. If you see carefully, this is equivalent to the denominator. Therefore, you can cancel these two. You will cancel these two, and what will remain is cot A plus cosecant A. And if you see this carefully, this is also equivalent to the RHS. therefore RHS is equal to LHS. Okay, so we solve this question. The tricky part is, first is you have to divide by sign, and the next is only the top part here you have to convert to the trigonometry identity. Just these two steps if you can remember, then you can do this problem. You can do in other methods also, it's going to be very lengthy, okay, but this is the fastest way to solve it. Why we are converting this is because on the right hand side you have cosecant and cot, therefore you are converting this also to cosecant and cot. And why we are using this only on the numerator is because if I use the numerator, then I will get cosecant square a minus cot square a, and then I have plus sign here, therefore I can take a common term out and then cancel them out. If I also take on the denominator, it is going to get multiplied because of this minus sign, it is going to get longer. That is the reason I have taken only on the numerator. Hope you understood the working of this problem. Let us see in the next problem. Thank you so much.